Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Lexus IS250 alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is cool. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts during the repair. Next, gather all necessary tools, such as a 13mm socket, a 14mm socket, and a 15mm wrench. Having everything ready saves time and makes the process smoother. Now let's get to removing the old alternator. Use your serpentine belt tool to release tension on the belt, then carefully slide it off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the electrical connectors and the main power cable attached to the alternator. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts. Remove these. With the bolts out, you can carefully maneuver the old alternator out of its position. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. On another note, a new alternator gets your car running great, but what about the smell? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for that fresh car feeling. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully slide the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Hand tighten the mounting bolts first, then fully tighten them to specification. Reconnect the main power cable and all electrical connectors, ensuring they are secure. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys, using the tensioner tool to help, and double-check its alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.